Kouli, did you finish putting away the Christmas lights?
Yeah, just now.
Kouli, you're putting up Pixel Pals?
Yeah, they light up.
Well, that's true. Good job with the Christmas lights. Hey, what are these?
Pixel Pals?
Hey, we still haven't opened them.
Yeah.
Let's go do a review.
Hi, Kouli Kollector here, and today we're gonna show you Pixel Pals. Dad, I don't know anything about these guys. Can you help?
Okay, cut. Hi, Dad Kollector here, filling in for Kouli Kollector, who doesn't know too much about these guys, but here are the Pixel Pals that are officially licensed by PlayStation. This is Ratchet, and we have the God of War, Kratos. So these are both officially licensed products by PlayStation. Without further ado, let's open it up. As always, PDP reminds us to...
PDP reminds us to, so we don't you don't need batteries anymore because, you can just plug it into your computer.
That's right, with this Pixel Pals flyer, the USB adapter, you don't need batteries anymore. Here is the officially licensed by PlayStation PDP Pixel Pals, and his name is Kratos, and he is from the game God of War. This is what he looks like lit up, enjoying a nice fire for Christmas time. And here is our officially licensed PlayStation product by PDP and Pixel Pals. This is from the game series Ratchet and Clank, and this is Ratchet. There's the flyer. And here is the big explosion. Now here is Ratchet from Ratchet and Clank, and here he is lit up. Thank you once again for sending these over, PDP. These Pixel Pals that are officially licensed by PlayStation are available now. Check out the PDP website for more information. We want to wish you... Oh wait, we should probably get Kouli for this. Thank you to all the subscribers out there and all our friends and all our family. We wish you a very Merry
Christmas
and a
Happy New Year.
Thanks from all of us at Kouli Kollector. We'll see you in the new year.
And we'll see you next time. Kouli Kollector. Kouli Kollector. Kouli Kollector.